Nvidia reported earnings that blew past expectations. Let's bring in Joe Tigay of Equity Armor Investments.
Yeah, so maybe we should start, Angie, with the volatility. Last week ended with the threat of new tariffs. This week started with that threat being lifted. And we're just seeing back and forth volatility in the market. It's really spilling over into the bond market, too. Something just watching out for, watching closely. We're seeing Japanese yields rising really quickly. And, you think, oh, what do we have to worry about? That's just Japanese yields. Well, there is a big carry trade as those yields get higher. The difference between their long-term debt and our long-term debt narrows, and the desire for our debt is reduced because of that. So that's just something to watch out for. It's just kind of on the periphery, but it's there. But before the news last week, we really have been dealing with a tech rebound. That's really been the case ever since the start of April, and it's been a fantastic thing to watch. I think this tech story has been the bull market for the past 2 years. This AI has just been growing. It's been a tech super cycle. And we're seeing that continued again. Really fascinating to watch, and just wanted to watch all the stocks around Nvidia too, how they are responding to. It's going to be really interesting to see this play out as we go out through the rest of the day. Just how much this really matters. This tech is so important to this market. AI is so important to this market. Last week's Google's announcement just really got the investors excited again. So really can't wait to see how that really plays out through the whole space. And finally, Angie, just waiting for next week. The market's expecting the Senate to look at the House's budget deal. Will it be able to go through clean? Maybe the market's not quite ready to think that, but there is optimism that they'll be able to work together and get something passed. I think the market is looking forward to that finally happening. It could create some stimulus to the market that it desperately needs.
Thanks, Joe.
Thanks for having me.